Today we're going to talk about turning your microwave turntable on and off. Now the reason why you want to turn your microwave turntable off is that if you have a casserole dish or a food item that will not rotate freely inside the microwave, that's the reason why you want to turn the turntable on and off during your cook cycle. So there's two ways to do that. Way number one is you push clock tools and a menu will come up of all the different functions inside the microwave, and it'll come up on function 6 here. Options turntable, push 6 and the turntable is now off, and then you can continue with the operation of your microwave. Another way to do that is you put your casserole dish on the inside, close it, and then let's say you push a time. Here we have for 1 second. And then you just push turntable on and off. And as you can see, the turntable symbol turns off, meaning that your turntable is now off. And now it's back on. So those are the two ways that you can operate your turntable, turning it off and on. And by the way, another tip is that when you're finished with the cooking cycle, not rotating your food, you're going to want to take your food out and then stir it and then put it back inside and then continue cooking until it's completely cooked. So there you go. Enjoy your microwave turntable options.